Ihanga ryaguye rwakagwe bwa nyuma yobira ryo munyishengero rukikerera abakazi ba district ya Dokoro Cecilia Ogwaro kurwo Magaragensi
Uli wangeri cyatayisa balungi abesimbo no bafajirotyo
abanyishengero hona bargayo no kugamba ha mugenzi bakugira ngo ogu atwire na rwanira rihanga rya Uganda
abirari position figure konka atari nkabandi abo kuba we ishongeze kwatere n'ihanga abire na level kangu piaste kam politics
kandi hono muganda makuru Elianya Kazoba okwekarakasa kwawe kwekarakasa kandi hono abantu babyare mitumba ombyino muri Kampala.
So we are here to show Uganda, to persuade them to work, to move with us in our campaign for better services, in our campaign to have a government that works for the people.
Nagand Omugarukoski.
Kurukayo omitwe yitu eyagarukosia kandi ndi Eva Sakankwasa ekizambase kubaninga kwisiaho ombwijwire twatandikana nago busasi omnyishenjero kazi owa district ya Dokolo ogweni Honorable Cecilia Tim Ogwal yargo Magaragenseji kandi yabasa kubana fera ha myaka 58 y'obukuru ya fera omwirwa ya India kandi nagambwa kuba yayitwa endwara y'ekokoro reka tubirebe.
To say that we have a woman speaker.
Akasheshekeri izoba abanyayuganda ho nabimuka bina kahurkano kandi nangwa n'imikono bagiyekorire bwanyuma y'amakuru go kushasha korgeka kagoma tugabo ko munyishinjira be nakikirira abakazi ba district y'Rumanka ya Dokoro mu ndo muyangeri ya Uganda kurgayo atyo akafera myaka 58. Cecilia Barbara Atim Ogwaro hono guno yargayo kandi atyo akargo Magaragensi kandi hiya firumu ihangari ya India ahabira twirwe kwasa kutungo bujanjabi obwa kujangu abe nateganisi bukirurire cyekokoro ninga shikansa ekitwire cyo muteganisa kire karingwa. Cecilia Ogwaro akazarwa habiro byo kwezi mukaga okwezi ku 12 mwaka no 1994 kandi yafa biro byo kwezi 18 no kwezi kukubanza 2024 ekikumuretera ngo yafera myaka 58 kandi atwira ryo umwe ombebembezi kandi no mukazi abe nakora ninga shari kutetenkanya yo kwasa kweta business woman omundo muyangiri ya Uganda. Cecilia Ogwaro hona nomwe abanyishingira bamazira kire karingwa barkwebembera ninga shi barukikirira abantu babo mwishengeri ya Uganda kandi ogu akatandika kwebembera ninga shi kuzo mwishengera omwaka gwo 1996 okusya hata hiya fera ekikumuretera ogu okubabira mazere myaka 28 rukwebembera. Cecilia Atim Ogwaro hono go wazarira mu district ya Dokoro obwa hatiya yafera myaka 58 kandi omwaka gwo 1997 aha myaka 21 y'obukuru akarga yatyo yatwara kushaba kweye mu University y'Rumanka ya University of East Africa yabeneshango muri Nairobi omuyihangeri ya Kenya kandi bamwikiriza nuko kwikokwe akatanka kushoma Bachelor of Commerce omwaka gwo 1995 hona karga yahendera mishome yeye mu University niye mwej ya University of East Africa kandi yajwara bitarashomere cyo cyonka kiyagaricere akije yashoma certificate omu human resource management kandi bwa hati akije yashomera omwanya ogwabengwetwa Institute of Public Administration bito mbwiro bwa hati omwanya oguno gumako gwa Uganda Management Institute akije yashoma izindi certificate ibiri emwe muri yezo na ya Christian Based Values kandi eje yatungire mu university ningasho omwitendekero kumankiri ya Hagai Institute omuri Singapore akije yakayashoma certificate ndijo eri kumanyo wanke ya Public Private Partnership kandi ejiyo akagitungira mu ihangeri ya Australia. Kurgo mwaka gwo 1999 okusyo mwaka gwo 1998 nkimanyisa ngo gwo no mwaka gumwe hona Cecilia Ogwaro akija yakora aha embassy ningashi aha kitebe cya Uganda umundo mu ihangeri ya Kenya kandi ogwo akana journalism aha kushuganisa abo bona abanya Uganda ababemba bambarwa mu ihangeri ya Kenya barugaruko muri ya Uganda. okurwa omwaka gw'1980 kusya omwaka gw'1981 ono gwakija yakora nka operations manager omu kitongole ekyabe kimanyika kya Uganda Advisory Board of Trade. Omugoro 1982 hono akija yabomwe omuri aba batandikireho ibiciro ry'esente mu ndomo yange ya Uganda erokumanywa nkerya Housing Finance Bank kandi okwo akija yakorayo okusya omwaka gw'1984 nubara yabe nakikora mu Housing Finance Bank nabwo akija atyo yakora nka mukuru w'ibicero ninga shinka chairperson w'ibicero kumankiri ya Uganda Development Bank okurwa omwaka gw'1981 okusya omwaka gw'1986 akija atyo yatandika kukora ninga shino kwejumbera ombintu y'obururu kandi akija yatandika kukora nk'omuhandiki mukuru w'ekibiina ekyabe kimanywa nk'ekya Uganda People's Congress UPC bite nobora hati ekikiroho kandi okwo akakora y'okurwa omwaka gw'1985 okusya omwaka gw'1992 omwaka gw'1994 hona akija yatunga kagisha okubaho omwe ahari abo abakachika kabe nkamanywa nkaka Constituency Assembly kandi hona kachika nuko karigireyo kakashitama katiyo kakabaga amateka nanga n'engenderwaho y'ihanga rya Uganda eyoro 1995 bito gukurwobwe akaguma ryo muntu w'amani mu kibiina cya UPC kandi atyo hona okusya mwaka gw'2024 ombururu bw'abanyishengero omwaka gw'2026 akarga yatyo entebe yeye bagimutwaraho kandi akarga yasingwa owabirara umutabano wogo watandikireho ekibiina cya UPC Milton Obote obuba kweta Jimmy Akena kandi atyo Jimmy Akena no yatandikire kukikirira abantu barera municipality omwishengero ry'ihanga rya Uganda omwaka gw'2021 ogwariho nakargayo ateyaga kayayisimbaho okwasa kujwekera abakyara aba district ya Dokoro kandi hono gutaratungire mu buremezi bwona akargayo ahuta karura ko hatinda mukwasira mukono bitar kuje mu karuru ko mwaka gw'2011 kujwekera abakyara ba Dokoro okwaka hona yarigire mu kibiina kiri kumanke cya UPC yagire mu kibiina ekiri kumanke cya Forum for Democratic Change kandi ari kusingana karuru akakwasira bendera ya FDC ogwara abari omukazi oshwirwe kandi hona aine n'omushija n'abana ababe n'abana mushanju kandi abaine n'abande abana benkuyanja n'inkuyanja ababe nareberera burebera omwaka gw'1969 aha myaka 23 hono ogwa kargayi yisimba okubasa kuba Miss Uganda kandi akargayi ahangura empakezo atwira ryabo kiko nyamwinji kwihanatandika kuba munyishengero ahabo kubogwa kwija yabaho member wakachika kabenka manka ka Parliamentary Committee of Physical Infrastructure mu ndomo yange ya Uganda akabenka journalism ahakurebuza nangwa no kukuratara amateka gona gatwirenga tekwaho kandi gari journalism by'amataka ebyamaju nangwa no kutungura endembo zitari zimwe na zimwe ebyenkuto eby'umukorre ninga she works no kuteka tekeri hanga kandi hono mushija weye abirana na Mek Ogwara obwa hatiya umubiri gwe gucyo muri India kandi bacuraho mbagezaho okugukebera no gushwijuma kurungi kureba ecyarigereraho kurahuka kufa ahubwo kuba birarurira hakire kake za asimu ahabwa GNTV agarkoski
omugenzi mukama muhereze cyumuro kirungi kandi nabwe twagumizamu tukiri hanshonga yo kutwarwa kwa Honorable Cecilia Ogwal abanyishengero bagenzi be babasa kubana bamugambaho ahabwe mirimo mirungi yayizire nakora ihanga rya Uganda kandi ubuzima bagira ngo Uganda yaferwa omucyare nkwatamata katubirebe
abanyishengero batari bamwe na bamwe hona bargayo no kusasara kandi nangwa no kusinda kubutumwa bwo kusasara aha family ningashi abanyabuzari nangwa n'abanyamukago aba family yo munyishengero mutahi wabo wabargomisho mukashijike yizoba owekitini Cecilia Ogwal honogu abari yo munyishengero kazi orukikirira abantu ba district ya Dokoro abinyishengero hona bitabasaganira nabo abaganira n'umunyamakuru witu bargayo no kwereka ku Cecilia Ogwal hona bari yo muntu murungi kandi buri omwe abena mureberaho nk'icyo kureberaho aha bamwe bargayo no kugira ngo atwire na rane rekitini sakihanga mborwa abena shoro mu ihanga yakibenkereteraho nogu yayereka umutima gwihanga kandi yaba umukunzi w'ihanga rya Uganda abingene bajyango Uganda yafero ikintu cyango kandi ho neki tubakakirebaga
Honorable Cecilia Ogwal okuberera mu CA tukedde wano Katonda awamutwalidde akoze omulimu gwa ttendo mu kutereeza ebyobufuzi by'eggwanga naddala ku ludda obuvuganya. Kizibu nnyo okulowooza nti asobola okuddizibwawo ng'omuntu naye aweereza mu ngeri gy'aweereza mu kulwanira eddembe ly'obuntu, mu kulwanira obwenkanya naddala mu mbeera y'abakyala. Era ffe ng'ekibiina n'abakyala mu Parliament Women's League n'abantu b'eddokolo ne bannayuganda bafiiriddwa nnyo. Honorable Cecilia Ogwara abadde atulambika bulungi nga abantu mu Parliament naddala ffe abakajja mu Parliament bantu ogendawo wano yogera bwoti. Era akoledde ddala okutedda mu weekisizini esembyeyo nga tuli mu lukiiko obukola mu budget. Ffe kitwewunyisiza okuwulira nti Katonda amututte naye tulowoozezza nti ye ng'omuntu aleseewo omukululo. Era ffe tulina obuzibu okuzaawo okulingira mu bigere bye ng'omuntu. Tujja gezaako nga bwe tusobola, tujja bategeeza nga famire emaze okutereera entegeka y'ebyokuziika bye tugendamu kakati tuwulire, tujja babulira ekisembayo. Tusaba Katonda omwoyozi gwe agulamuze kisa.
Olwokuba emyaka 76 ngira ngu yabakiine emyaka emingi okusabiri yange eri nyonka kora ndi omwana first time kumureeba ari kwiza za bushenyo mu bya UPC kandi kantakumanga nzafuna chance okusitama nawe mu Parliament. Omugishogo viza gwabaho kandi omwaka ogwahwire nkagenda nawe Europe Deputy Speaker twasitama mu Parliament ya European Union. Nareba uko ari kutwaza abirari position figure konka atari nk'abandi abo kuba we enshonga ezikwatere n'ihanga abire nareba kangu yaziteka mu politics enshonga ez'amaani katugire ngu twashobora twaza heru abe nayireba nka member wa Parliament aripresentinga Uganda. Abamu abo opposition kuba kushobora bagezaho kushishisha ihanga ritu ushangu bargayo kwe nibazo mu sendijo konka Cecilia Ogwara abira nationalist kandi arigamba ekimbyamo kandi aruhaba so ite twaferwa abo kuba n'omuntu bire obo kumanya ngo wahikaho Cecilia Ogwara nakuhereza advice ikire kandi etarumu kubiha.
He's a member of Parliament from Doko district. He's a member of oppositions. The fact that he has been in service for a very long time, our experience in the political arena leave a very big gaps in the political system in the country. She's a very truthful woman, open-minded. When she speaks her mind, she speaks her heart without gushing. I have known her for quite some time. Though the fact this is my first time in Parliament, but I've known her before out of Parliament. On several occasions when she speaks to the head of states, she's very direct to the point. Our level of relationship with the head of state is good to be very honest. It's good to be very honest. It's good to be yourself. It's good to speak the truth. It's good to speak the fact. You don't need to panel bits around and go around. Speak what is in the inside of you. And when you've spoken it out, it has come out, I think it's much more better than, not expressing it, but going behind. As I told you earlier, she's very open-minded. She has spoken to the president, she has spoken her mind, she has spoken her heart. And you always see how the president responds normally. The president take her as a sister, and she also take the president as my brother. So that level of relationship is very far and very unique. That is level of maturity. Maturity in politics need facts and truthfulness. And that will take the country to the next level. Okay. And that is how I respect her for that.
Okay.
She has been our figure. Actually, she was our role model. But she guided us on better debating practices and also on how to handle matters of the constituency. So we are going to miss her. She has died so soon, at a time when Musi needed her. And she was somebody who loved harmony. That is why whenever there was disjointedness, even within Parliament, she would intervene with a very calm voice. So we are going to miss her, and we would like to pray for the family and we pay condolences to our family, to the people of Dokolo, to the people of Lango sub-region, to Parliament and all Ugandans. We have lost a hero. We are so rest in peace.
Tuheyo Ronald aha GNTV aha Parliament.
Twagumizamo nabwo kurwo mu ishenjero yitu ya Uganda abanyishenjero abarokora kuchondoza embarira y'ebitongore byo mu ndomo yangari ya Uganda bitari umwe namwe andebyo babasa kuba nobore ko butashemererwa wanyuma ya ministry y'ebyo kwerinda okushanga ngo ikolise kubi esente zabahiwe kandi babugabwa naho nabebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe bajano batekwa ko bagambira kasiona kahindu okuba kozi sentezi aharezwa shumankwire ngubine kuzitana kabuzima katubirebe
akachiko kishenjero hona karukujunanizubwa ahabyo kwerinda mu ndomo ihangeri ya Uganda ningashaka ko basa kweta Parliamentary Committee of Defense karugero karebukaho kandi akachiko akarukujunanizubwa hambalira okubasa kureba nabo mu mbalira ya ministry y'ibyo kwerinda nangwa nebyo munda yihanga okureba imbalira yabo kwenda kutambura nibi barahomba giplanning.
Are we using our cameras, the cameras we have value for money? Because in some places, the moment you make a trust mistake, it is reflected and immediately you get a message and a fine. If it is reflected on your vehicle, is it possible for us to have the people make mistakes or trust mistakes be penalized immediately so that at least we still get the fines and people learn how to use the roads?
Abanyishenjero hona bari akachiko karakujunanizubwa hambalira bargireyo barebuza kandi hona bacyondoza imbalira ekitongore ekibyo kwerinda mu ndomo ihangiri ya Uganda okuba kwenda kose sente zabo nebi byo nibagenderire gura bitu bargireyo hona no kwereka abatashemerwa bwabo obwe barkwihayo murumuru no bunyomonyomo bona no kubuza kanana katano ahabwenki ministry y'ibyo kwerinda bulije twirene ekore mishango ningashine ekore ibintu mbehenda birajuro kandi kibe kitakugendwa
compulsorily, because when you look at what they are recommending, it is that recently acquired land, yet there is a stock of land that has been complaining. Many people have been complaining. 15 years, 20 years, 30 years. Have you tried to find out that stock of land and people that have been suffering? Others have died, by the way, before they are compensated. Why are we rushing to this recently acquired land by the parliamentary circle? Are we deliberating because we are members of the circle and therefore favoring ourselves and leaving individuals that cannot even approach the committee, that cannot even approach the headquarters? What can we do to that group of people? And another clarification, Chair, is on the quality of passports. I'm a rare traveler, very rare, but the very few times I've traveled, when you look at my passport, it's faded. What has happened to the quality of the passports that we have compared to even what we used to have? So I think you need to interest yourselves in that much as you are looking for more money. What has gone wrong with the quality of our passports? Thank you.
Orkuganiraho no mu cyico mu ishenjero wo mukaza kukikerera abakazi ba district ya Mitoma Juliet Bashisha hona na wargireyo no kuganira no munyamakuru wito arikugira ngo Ministry ya Defense tefire yo munonga okurebuza abantu kandi nangwa na za kamera ningashi za kanyabishane zatirwa mihana tizokuraterwa kandi twakuzigendaho okulira hasa kurebwa ngo bakendeza za butandeze kugenda nzibaho ninganize yongera nkuto za Uganda.
Twabantu swizuma budget framework paper ya sector zilizo watandukana ya trade tuaza ya defense komukomu ya defense niho kwenda gambaho aho twantugamba aha budget barabara sente nyingi izo bakwenda kugira ngo bagure patrol vehicles ninga vehicles zo kumana zetubura byaro nizireba bakora inshobi abakora ubuvuyo na n'ibindi byona kandi ho twantuburiza patrol vehicles zo za aha district police stations izindi zo mahana konka buri umuntu kwakugira ikisubu watera Yesu ureba no kujya gutubira fuel so twandwenda kumanya akakigo ka defense na internal affairs kukakora budget kateka mu fuel y'imodoka zikagenda kuri zindi akaba batore ko mu report ya defense na internal affairs bibena ngo bagure zindi modoka nyingi zigumenze tura kureba ko gukora ibihagaro kandi nango nyine barumu mukatuyebuza izi modoka kuba kuziteka mu byaro kuba kuziteka mu za police stations izirya haruguto aha kuba kuza kwetegereza ushanga ubumwe yes patrol vehicle ho kugenda parking amanya bumwe araho ba traffic ati na police ndisho yona ubumwe kuranga ba traffic kandi ikindi tureba batwereka ko ari ubwenge twina tubureye izi kamera zo batira umunguto nangwa katugandeze mu Kampala umwe ko kuraba uraza kwataho ko ngaro abantu barakwase ngo wakoresha wa overtaking hataru wakoresha wavugira umurenge tari yawe ntubandura abana uvuga ureba wa bodari terwoko ondije yagira izindi zakora rayini nkina konka tukarebere abakwata bakagira ngo uyu wakoresha bi fine yawe neki yo wakoreje icyo cyo kwano shashora neki kuno cyangwa zo kamera zibazukoresa kufayininga abantu tukagurira ibintu bibiri icyo kubanza cyabyo nabakuye ufayini ni ikindi za budget hade izo kurwa mu fayini zinazo zikizakura ikindi esente zo bahiza kufayininga kwa kabiri ubwo kubanza hati nchakaro mwigisha beto kujukora kandi ezeshore zitukora harukuto nizo kuturetera umwe twakora benji so aba defense na internal affairs twandubashaba esente ziteko mu kamera kusugura kuzitanga ubutono mbindi biceka nesente nyingi munonga bakorese zo kamera kugira ngo bakwata barukoresha then baza kubakwata icyo kubazana baza kucendera icyakabiri n'ubindi n'ucendera
Ona wo munyishengero kazi orukikirira abantu abashema ubukitinisa Rosemary Nyakikongoro nawe mukuganira n'umunyamakuru wito argiye no kwereka ko butashemerwa bweye ari kugira ngo bwa hati abanya-Uganda bingi abarukora umundanga muntu bakore bicupuri kandi hona ministre ya y'ubikwerinda niyo yakubeneza nanzubwa ahari y'ibintu argiye no kubashaba ko babasa koresa umutuma gwihanga kandi bakakora za passport ezishikira
atureba abantu abi UPDF binga Ministry of Defense yatwira amataka gabo aga strategic bwa inshoga zo byo kwirinda konka abantu baturana babanja kurugira abamwe base imyaka 20 abandi imyaka 15 abamwe no kufa bafire konka twakatunga gasente zabo konka waza kuri priorities izibatwereka hati batekamu abantu abatuyita kagabo just mubazi hati no yebuza abobo abataka basa kwishikirana mnonga na twaliba ngo parliamentary circle niyo barakafutikamo parliamentary circle ne serving abamemba ba parliament hata abobo abataka basa kwishikirayo bakatongana nabo bakaba considering bakashashura amataka gabo abo kuba amataka gabo go batwire hati value ke yongera kare tubibanije kubashashura value ya hata ukaba bakoze evaluation nabwo cyo nyonanisha abantu baje compensating parliamentary circle na nabo bantu abatwira amataka gabo batwire n'abarara nabo babashashura sente zabo bagira ikibaza kwekorera umuntu atarwa kafa atine kiyagaswa umwitakariye then haruna n'ikizubu cya passports zibaye mbakora enyuma zibire ziba zugumire zirije quality mwene boni kuko tuwaza kureba passport bagikuhereza umukwezi kumwe eba yafedingire yona yashire kubi hati noye buruza ababemba kora passport senungi bahindwire mu quality nibenanguzira ke kutanyaguruka umunyarwanda bagarike aze yazo kuronda passport so icyo kama memba ba parliament ebyo byo tushime kuba turibamo ngo government yateka sente umukino kintu basheme kora quality ninge kintu ekiratureho tureka kora ibintu nke bakugambira igenda ngo nebya ba China ona shimwe twe kora ibintu turkweyanga nyinyiza ngo bakweza responsibility yo kora passport ninga identity card ukore quality identity card enje twaro biri itasiskire na nebyo tutakagizeta bitakahwire
amukugaruka mu ibi byonna owekitinisa Honorable Kahonda Donozio hono gwabera bibembire akacika kabekizera karukushananizwa byo kwirinda umuntu mu ihangire ya Uganda arije no kugira ngo ishongeze zone ezibargaye bakabagambira nibije ko zireba mu ministry y'ibyo kwirinda kandi baziterize
issues ezimwe nk'akaciko ka defense ezituriyo nutichondozaho ahabo kuba Uganda ekane tunga passports ziri original ziri kutakusibuka zitakugira hata bwanyuma yakwiza omundagano eyibakoze yibakweta mu joint venture agreement eyi Uganda yakozere na Verdos hamwe na n'ekitongore echa Uganda Security Printing Company nibo batwire contract eyo kora passports kana nabo mbakubana bakora na bakora passports then bine driving licenses hata mbakubamba gitaho na ndangamuntu so konka yitwenka kachiko tubire twakibarumiririze kandi nambo twasaraho okugira ngo nanendaganege yakozirwe nitutekwa kujigarikamu nkihanga okureba ngo obukwakurizo bwo mu burumu ahabwe nsonga zitari zimwe na zimwe mu implementation y'ejo project nitutekwa ntwenda ngo zibe addressed so itwenka kachiko aka defense ahansonga za passport turiyo tuzigarika mu kuzichondoza kandi turiyo tugira ngo endagane yakozirwe tujigarike mu tujye reviewing kugira ngo concern z'abantu bikwatire na quality ebikwatirine na cost esente ziriyo ezibakushajinga ezo zona nezi turiyo twenda ngo tuzigarikemu rero tubase kutambira abanya-Uganda ebintu nkebi
Tweheyo Ronald ahabwa GNTV aha Parliament
Urembo rwitu rwambarira abatura abarwe babasakwa niboreka obutashemererwa nangwa no kucumintiriza kakuma bebembezi ahabo rutindo rwakatete nibazira ngo bahati orutindo ruryo mu mbera mbe mnonga kandi nkwe kushaba government ngo ibase kwijira ukoreje rutakatira amagaraga binji omukabe kamani omuri yabo uruyo mwebembezi omurembo rukomanya ka Peter mpaka nawe yashaba government esheme kora rutindo rwonka kureke kwate n'ababebembezi abashumankwire sente ezabesheme kubanezikora rutindo rukazamutindo reka tubirebe
Bwanyuma y'urutindo rwakatete ogumana urucweka bwashesha bwira abatura bakabura obutoro derbo abavugi bibyiruka ebirmungo bugari za pikipiki hamwe na za motoka bakaza ahabunkenke ahakangara tete barukugira ngo urguto bwa hati rumu ebyina by'amani munonga umwenu nubatina okugira ngo rutindoru rutiza kugira izoba rukacweka obwe hariho muntu ariyo na crossinga arukucweka nasakuza katete ninga sharugaruka omurembo orwambara bwenu abatura barwe no kwetera umuranga barukusaba government abayambe ngwa kuba ekintu kibirekare ngo bwahati nbarara emitima bagihanikire barukutina kugira ngo batakakera mbahurebera ngo mbwenu bo abatura batagambaho nabo abarmunka abantu abambatambura bigere hamwe na nabo abavugi baza pikipiki barwe no kutugambira ubusasi bwabo barukusaba government ngwe bayambe
urutindo rwo kureboro bona ryo rwafunda rwasha kubi okwanura baho mwe ngo tukutwariza tekati usaba kutwara urutindo
era vision urutindo rwagatete n'urw'umunonga shenda bize barukode masa tamba wakorabaho n'umusabazi mu murabya w'uraba ino munonga bene mazimachera ejo matora mutora
Nikorra umurka teto unkor ordingerito singero kuteganisi barkora banyuma yesane umurka rwangu ka sawa government ine kukora ordindo urse bakwantora accident ziriya azotsukuba umuntu nabona rwoko ordindo bridge zicweka sanga twagwira mu ordinda bueno, abiri sayitano mukaga umusumari ataka orutindo rwitu rwakatete mu bice motoka ibiri tuzikurabana hato usanga kumbwire rwakatare rwakatano usanga umwe jamu yakwata tashibasa kuraba motoka zitashibasa kuraba jamu ergumu tawuni eturakatete katete leta hato usanga kuwajiro kumwijirizwa tashibasa no gukora mwito nsaba government na jeje kirebe tinobite basi gukora byo kwike twine n'obundi obuzibu sayidi z'okukarugangama nayo orutindo tururiyo twine sayidi z'okumukitebeyo nayo orutindo tururiyo mbwenu babateriye entindo ziitu isatu aho ningira ngu jamu nebasa kukyendera
kandi we Honorable Peter Mpaka ogu n'omunyabutegeki abw'ekibiina eky'orubazo ruhabura gavumenti ekya National Unity Platform yarugayo n'okuteera gavumenti y'omuranga ngu ebayambe babakorre oruguuto oru
kimwabite byabe binyisimbiseho no kureba ngo orutindo rw'itoro rwakatete twabasa kurutereza rwabasa kutambuza je abanya-Uganda ko kubashime kuba nibatambura abanyambarana mu kimanya ngo ahe motoka ikatomeraho ekigadi cyashenyuka natujya tudumandinga ngo bibatebye byo mu rugutindo dusheme kuba nibyiwaho orutindo rw'ituru kakorwa kurungi ko kurusheme kuba nirutambuza abantu bitu so turuhire embere nabwe eco ntenda turukushaba government okurebeka shuwa ngo ya affectinga incoherencia ya kandi ka government etakubibasa abanya-Uganda tusakuteko gwesiye bwito muri Kyagulanyi Robert Sentabu n'ekibina kya NUP okureka ngo cyabasa kwisya aha abantu bitu ubuhereza ubari kwetenga kandi ombire ubari kugwetengeramo
Honorable Peter Mpaka yatera omuranga ahari yabo abembezi b'orurembo rwambara ngo bareke kurya inguzi ngo kuba esente z'orutindoru bakaba bazisindikireho bo bazitoza gwatabambwine bazicwera rugondo barye sente zo mwene hato bwa hati abataka bariyon barra gangire ko man barra omukano mu kibira abwo rutindoru Oriyondo bateka ahakangara tete
kintu kimanyangu kanso yakacebeza bakagereza miliyoni binanshanju zibazi bya zona taro nakantu nakamuce bakozere bakiza bayicuza ibibati ebyo motoka ziribatire bimwe bikabaruka ko kumukubireba so to demanding ngumbara site ko kwetungere status esheme kuba neterera netunga umwanya murungi netunga obuhereza burungi netunga entindo nungi netunga enguto nungi netunga services na no mu marwariro na no mu masomero ebinte birungi ebishema kuba nibihisa status ya site so turiyaho kudemandinga ngo embera nkeji abanya-Uganda tubagishemerire
Honorable Peter Mpaka yargayo no kusaba government muyane basa kukwata abantu abalire sentezi ezabezigenerire kora orutindo rwakatete babakwate ngwa kuba embera eriyo neboga omubyara
government ekore cyone kiri kubasika ekore cyone kikubasika kuranga orutindo rwakorwa yane basa no kukoma abalire sente zabese mekoro orutindo rebaronde bakwate ibalise yane basa kurya za ronde kandi barya za ronde zo kushashura amabanza gaba bitature na nabanda bagiga ekikore konkito abanya-Uganda bampa musoro abakutera karuru turuhire okuraba urwo rw'ekikankeeki abakazi nibatina ababodaboda nibatina kushanga ngo anytime babasa kuragara iyo banzo zooming orebe kikindo ukakiriye onembera nkegeshe kuberyo musite so ito tuje kwekarakasa no kugambira abanya-Uganda ngo kintu nkeki tikishirire kuba nicyo bo muyanga so government yane basa kuronda seta yo kubasa kuzironda ezironde ijeterezo rutindo rwito
ahabwa GNTV agarukosya ndi Clinton nahabwe
Twagumizamu mu rurembo rwa Kampala habwanyuma yabe byo kwerinda na polisi okusharaho amaka ga Kyagulanyi ogone rukwebembere kibine cha NUP cyabakumaka National Unity Platform hamwe na Lord Mayor kwago nango gisire muna kano Dr. Kiza Besije kugira ngo batakazo mukesharingwa kwa bire batisize rizoba aha wengu tombe ezijwire byina kandi no kushaba abantu kurengo babyare mtumba umubiri kina cyone kibarabone Kyagulanyi yarga yagira ngo ishikirije kubanche bazibirana kwe kushaba abantu kugira ngo buri omwe akere na rondo mutumba agubyaro mukina cyone cyakureba mu kiriyo mu ruguto ngo bundi government ekabasakura ekora hangutezi ebyentambura bigarukombuteka katubirebe
bwanyuma y'abembezi b'Orubazu orahabura government yo mu ihanga erya Uganda ubwe harumu owekibina echa FDC owekitinisa kano Dr. Kiza Besigye hamwe no wa National Unity Platform NUP wekitinisa Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu wabinji barukumanyanka Bobi Wine okurgeyo bakarangira kandi bakahiga abanya-Uganda nguwe rizoba baze omunguto zo wabo ibararebe ekina babyaremu omutumba nkakamanyiso ko kutera government yo maranga ngo bunde kabayamba enguto zabo bargayo bazitereza mbwenu erizoba umurembo rwa Kampala abantu basiban babyara emitumba omunguto ezirmu ebyina ubwo barukusaba government ngo erijeyo egire kiyakoraho omunshonganizo zimwe polisi y'ihanga rya Uganda kehurire omwete gwa Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu hamwe n'enduru ya Dr. Kiza Besigye ubwo barukugira ngo abantu bakere ahanguto babyareho emitumba. Polisi yo mu ihanga rya Uganda yakera kusaraho ebikali by'abembezabo ekirumunke kikali ekya Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu ekikali ekya Road Mayor w'Orurembo rwa Kampala Salongo Elias Rukwago hamwe n'ekyo ekya Dr. Kiza Besigye Kifefe oguno watandikireho ekibina ekya FDC. Bwenwe Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu ogunwa kwembera ekibina ekya National Unity Platform baba bamkinjirine oweye omuka yafunaho akagisa yagamba n'abanyamakuru arukubajyangwe kintu ekibakora n'ekintu kikuswazana munonga ngo kandi basibirana omuntu omwe tubasibirana abanya-Uganda bona ngwe n'abasigara herokwe bagumize muno mwoga ogubaroho
balago butali bumativu mungeri yokwekalakasa mu ddembe buli awali ekinya nga mulaba baluddewo okukolawo musimbewo ekitooke kijukize abo abalina okukola enguudo ezo nti muli bannayuganda era mwe musasula omusolo so kati bo ekyokutusibira wane waka kya buswavu basibye abantu tebawera na bataano basobola okunsiba ne basiba Dr. Besigye n'abakulembeze abalala abatono naye ate bannayuganda bangi nnyo ate tuzze nga tubagamba timulekerawo okutunulira ffe abakulembeze nga ffe wabula nammwe mulina obuvunaanyizibwa bwe bumu n'omugabo gwe gumu ku Uganda so tebasobola tusiba ffenna basobola okubeera wano wiiki namba tebasobola balemesa kola kye mulina kola mwe nga bannayuganda ate n'ekirala kino kye bakoze era kyongedde balabisa eri ensi yonna naddala abo be baayise wano ng'abagenyi bafubye nnyo okukweka amazima agali wano e Uganda basiiza akazigo enguudo envundu ezeetoolodde endala ne bagalirayo abantu kiringa kubeera na mwana mulema waka naye ate n'omusibira mu kisenge nga waliwo abagenyi kye bakoze batataganyiza bizinesi z'abantu bangi nnyo batuuse n'okulagira abantu okusidda amannyo ku kkubo basinika amannyo balage ekifaananyi ekikyamu so twagala byonna bibagezaako okukola tubize emabega kye babagamba temukikola mufube okumakinga sure nti mulabisa ffe batusibidde waka naye tebabasibye buli omukola kyosobola buli woolaba olunaku lwaleero twadde twasazeewo okusimba bitooke mu binnya ez'empompogoma eziri mu kkubo mukikole buli wamu emuli ate si wano wokka mu Kampala wabula okwetooloola ensi yonna muzikube n'ebifaananyi mubiteeke ku social media ekyo kigenda bateeka ku pressure bakole kye balina okukola tewali agenda kibakolera bannayuganda wabula mmwe kennyini bantu tebawuliriza bigambo wabula babuuliriza bikolwa.
Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu yargayo n'okuhemura gavumenti era okubagira ngo ekintu ekibakora n'ekintu ekikwereka ngu biine obwoba bw'amaani munonga ngu mwenu nibenda kukoresa omugisha ogu koreka abagenyi abari omu rukiiko orwa Namu Summit hamwe n'orwa G77 plus China bo nk'abanya-Uganda tabashemerirweho na kake ngu kandi ekishishani ekibakureba ahari Speak Resort Mnyonyo hamwe na n'ahari Entebbe n'ekishishani kya duplicate ngu ebyenyuma byona birizana misho ngo nicyo kurebera abo nk'erizoba babakingirana omu bikari.
Done is a sign of cowardice. They can do what they usually do, illegally blocking us and arresting us in our homes. Of course, this is illegal because if we're doing anything against the law, we would be detained. We are citizens like other people. If we are against the law, why don't they arrest us and detain us? Our homes are not gazetted detention centers. Anyway, this is a joke because they can arrest me, Dr. Besigye and other leaders, but there are millions of Ugandans that we've called upon to show their discontent with the terrible situation of roads. So please go ahead. The protest continues with or without we the leaders. Don't focus or rely on we the leaders or the politicians. We want to use this opportunity to show the world, especially those NAM guests, that the picture you see is a fake picture. Even the smiles you see, they're out of an order that was given by the minister that Ugandans must smile because we are being ruled on gunpoint. Everything is an order, even a smile. So even the smiles that you see are fake smiles. Look out on social media and hear the true voices of Ugandans. Those Ugandans that are protesting, those Ugandans that have tough faces. There's nothing to smile about in Uganda. When you look at the situation of the roads, the healthcare situation, the human rights violations, there's nothing to smile about. So we are not smiling, we are protesting. So please go ahead, protest. Take pictures of those plants and banana trees that you put in the roads, the terrible potholes, and put them on social media.
Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu yarugayo n'okugamba abantu baabo ababuzibweho hamwe na nabo abakugira ngu bakafa kandi n'abakiri omu bihome ngu nabo mbenda bakorese omugisha ogu bagambe aha nsonga egyo obundi gavumenti ekagira ekiyakoraho naho.
Do what you can do as a citizen. Go ahead, not only in Kampala but all over the country, wherever there are terrible roads, plant either banana plants in them or any other plant to show your protest against the situation of roads. Take pictures and put them all over social media. You notice that the regime is trying to spend an insane amount of money to paint a false picture. You know, they've arrested so many of our people and detained them, especially the homeless. They've raised and closed down so many businesses. They've forbidden our people from using the nice roads and cordon them to the bad roads because they're trying to paint a fake picture.
Robert Kyagulanyi yagumiza mukandi yahabura abanyayuganda kandi yabasaba ngo kweyona ehibari barjeyo barebe nguto zabo bagire ekibakoraho bakore ekibari kubasa okugira ngo bakayetera enduru enguto zabo zirgayo zikorwa ngo batakaza kutina abantu.
Also, I want to use this opportunity to highlight the plight of our missing people. In Uganda, there are terrible abductions, government-sanctioned kidnaps. So many of our people are missing. Right now, more than 18 families are looking for their loved ones. They can't see them because they were abducted by the government and they went missing. General Museveni himself talked about them. The Minister of Internal Affairs then spoke about them. The Prime Minister of the regime, Robin Anabanja, came out and publicly confessed that she has Chibalama in her detention. Unfortunately, Chibalama's family has never seen him. We have so many political prisoners. So we shall be protesting against the gross human rights violations. We are going to be protesting against the continued illegal detention of the political prisoners. We are going to be protesting, demanding for our people. All that we will be doing constantly. They can detain me at home, but this can only be for a while. They won't be able to leave the place.
Ahabwa GNTV ya Garkosia ndi Clinton nabwe.
Tazomuri district ya Soroti abashubuzi abo mukatara kakuro muri Soroti no bargewa basakwana boreka okwemurgunya no butashemererwa abo kubura amashanyarazi namizo mukatare kabo bagira nabo eco mbona bashara mu kujana bija ku bantu baguruza heru ya Katare okwesiyo barabatera amashanyarazi namizo mukatarako katubirebe.
Abashubuzi abarukora omukatare ko murembo orwa Soroti aka Soroti Central Market bargayo no kwereka obutashemerwa bwabo barufitekaho akesharingo bwanyuma yo kumara obwire bwinji omukataro mu batine amashanyarazi hamwe na mizi mbwenu nko kurgayo baketera umuranga abantu gambaho na bamwe aha abashubuzi bo mu kataraka nuko kamwe bargeno futereka ubutashemerwa bwabo ubwo bari kugira ngo nibiza kugaruka mu kataraka abashubuzi bo mu kataraka bargayo no kushora mu katare bakaza heru bakaba nho baguriza umurguto bari kugira ngo nibiza kugaruka mu kataraka bwa nyuma y'abembezaba okureta amashanyarazi hamwe na mizi mu kataraka.
Want power, want water inside, we pay, but they don't give us enough power. Almost 1 week without water and power. And inside the market all becomes that you cannot transact business, a customer, even just giving that payments. Early in the morning, we don't see any leader coming here. So that is actually and we are doing it here right now.
And we are the ones paying the loan for this market. So let no one come and intimidate us from here. Yes. We have every right. Yes. For what we want. How come you complain? For them, they are seated in their offices.
And then you say it is only the butchers. It is only the butchers. Not the butchers.
See what is happening.
We are suffering here.
We are suffering.
Let me say only the butchers.
They are enjoying the comfort of their offices. And we are the ones paying them. How come you complain? We are their bosses. We are taxpayers' money. It's the one that is obeying them. What the fuck is it?
Tutaba tukiriyo tuganira n'abashubuzi bo mu kataraka za leta ryo muzwekerwa wa mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda ahabwo rembo orwa Soroti Peter Pexi Apak nukwe kurgayo akagira ibyashobora. Peter Pexi Apak oryo muzwekerwa wa mukuru w'ihanga rya Uganda ahabwo rembo orwa Soroti nukwe kurgayo kandi akahamisiriza akagumya abashubuzaba ngo batakayeshalinga ngwe baba bariyo batekateka ngo babereke ngo kuba ibizu byabo nibitekwa kwa Elizoba.
Give the road for the road users to handle now. Don't protest, don't cause confusion. Umeme is coming to address your problem. Are you getting me? Umeme is coming in the next 30 minutes to address your problem. Leadership cannot be addressed now. Power today.
Peter Pex Apak yargayono gambra abashubuzaba ngo tarhor kwikiriza kucinga ikintu cya government mwe n'ababariyon ba planninga kucinga kataraka abwibura ryamizi hamwe n'amashanyarazi ngo echo kibebe tokabasa kucinga kataye kabantu bona.
And no one is going to hold the government at ransom. You don't have that authority. You cannot close a public facility like this one. Whoever closes it will face the law. I want to be very categorical. You have no more authority or locals or whatsoever to close a facility of government like a central market. And I'm told it is the butcher section that has done all this. That is what I'm told. Umeme is coming to put back power. And we shall deal with those who occasion this.
Abantu kubaza RCC yo maraka nukwe kurgayo akatera meya Rembo orwa Soroti hamwe na City Clerk ngo bakiza bagira okubayamba omukucureza abantu n'abashubuzaba.
You come and address the concerns of the people in the market. You come quickly, you come. You come here. People want to talk to you. You come here. You come because the people have this. They want to say like this. These people are right, they have issues. You come. You come and talk to these people. Now, you come forward.
Kanu muchweka nicho chumwe umurembo orwa Soroti tiyagasi yamwe n'amasasi gargayo gashohora abo kugira ngo oryo mucyara umucici umnyishengero habwa Soroti umucyarakazi Alobo Joan hamwe na n'umnyishengero Ebwalu Jonathan baba bariyoni beshalinga ahabwa abantu babo bari kugira ngo government yanga rya Uganda erimune buzabuza ensonga y'amashita kandi hamwe n'ekiyo mataka umurembo orwa Soroti cyabakari mbwenu bariyo bashaba government ngo erigeyo egireki yakora kitari ekyo tabari kwiza kureka kwesharinga kandi we omnyishengero Alobo Joan yargeno kushobora ngo abantu babo abahansi tine kibaru kumanyaho nakace akikwatire n'amashitago.
Our people down here are not aware of anything. Aeroplanes have been flying. They did not inform us why they are flying. Now today they are back. They want to meet the local people, just like they did in Mulisa and Hoima. We shall not allow us, the people of Teso. We are standing up to show up. Like you will not come and intimidate us on our own land and minerals. You must come and meet the leaders. Let the leaders come down to sensitize the local person. Take note, we are not against the exploration of minerals. And we are saying what has happened to Teso in this exploration and when the mining time comes. That is why we are celebrating.
Ebwalu Jonathan nawe argayo arukushobora ngucyaba kige cyo kufera abantu babo dekaba bafere ngukonka baruhire government igumane babuzabuza.
Our land is our life. Our minerals is our life. We are not opposed to government exploring minerals here, but we are saying government must bring all our people. We need full participation of the local people. Now we know the trick of this government. They had come the other time to grab the land in Agama, in Kambuda. Our people resisted. Even this one, if government is not going to come out with a clear agenda, what is going to be our stake? What is going to be our share as the people of this region? We are going to oppose. Why we suspect that there is something fishy here? They have organized this meeting without involving us, the local people. Why don't they tell us, the city members of parliament? We represent thousands of people and we're not going to allow. This one here, we are ready to pay any price and our blood will not flow in vain. If they want to kill, let them kill. If they want to take us to prison, let's take them to prison. But for the right of our people, we are here to stand for our people. And any price we shall pay.
Habwa GNTV agarukosya ndi Clinton nahabwe.
Wabere mnonga Clinton turukhendra makuru gitu kutatwenire kireki kirizangari kinkwijusye ebyaba byebembire agarukosya.
Omugaruko serizoba ihanga ryagwirwa kagwe bwa nyuma yobira ryo munyishengero rukikerera abakazi ba district ya Dokoro Cecilia Ogwaro kurwo Magaragensi
uli wangeri cyatayisa balungi abisimbo no bafajyotyo
abanyishengero hona bargayo no kugamba ha mugenzi bakugira ngo ogu atwire na rwanira rihanga rya Uganda
abirari position figure konka atari nkabandi abo kuba we ishongeze kwatere n'ihanga abire narebo kangu yaziteka politics
kandi hono muganda makuru eryanya kazoba okwekarakasa kwawe kwekarakasa kandi hono abantu babyare mitumba ombyino muri Kampala.
So we are here to show Uganda, to persuade them to work, to move with us in our campaign for better services, in our campaign to have a government that works for the people.
Nagand Omugarukoski.
Kubara hamwe ni twashaheji okwen kwetu asakwantenda tema kurugito agarukosya kandi no konjera kumanyisa ngo utakafera program ya evening special yero kwa nekurata ho na Bishop Dr. Silas Taibwa and Eva Sakankwasa madare kurunji.